Joey, come taste this.
What is it?
Remember that guy that gave me a bad review? Well, I'm getting my revenge.
You cooked him?
No. He teaches a course on food criticism at the new school. So before we go to the movies, I want to go by there and make him try my bouillabaisse again. Oh, cannot wait to read the front page of the Post tomorrow. Restaurant reviewer admits I was wrong about Monica.
The front page? You really do live in your own little world, don't you?
Okay, class. We'll see you next time.
There he is. Hi, I'm Monica Geller. I'm the chef at Alessandro's.
Still?
I think the things that you said about me were really unfair, and I would like for you to give my bouillabaisse another chance.
I don't see any reason why I would do that to myself again.
Either eat it or be in it.
Spoon? So what do you think?
I'm torn between my integrity and my desire to avoid a beating. But I must be honest, your soup is abysmal.
Atta girl! We should get out of here. There's a new class coming in.
Welcome to Introduction to Cooking. Now, before we start, can anyone tell me the difference between a hollandaise and a béarnaise sauce?
I can.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, they both have a egg yolk and butter base, but a béarnaise has shallots, chervil, and most importantly, tarragon.
Oh, that's very good. What's your name?
Monica.
Monica, you go to the head of the class.
Okay.
Monica, check these out.
Those look like cookies.
I know, yeah. And I made them all by myself. I mixed the ingredients, I put them in the oven, I took them out. Granted, I should have used the oven mitts, but still.
Monica, my star student.
You know, you called me that before, so I took the liberty of fashioning a star out of aluminum foil. Now, no pressure. You like my cookies, you give me the star. Wow, a star! I know you all hate me, and I'm sorry, but I don't care.
Okay, Joey, you're up next.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. This is amazing. You get an A.
I got an A? In school? Hey, I'm a dork.
Joey, I'm so proud of you.
I think you should give him your star.
Excuse me? He doesn't even know what he's doing.
We're all beginners here. Nobody knows what they're doing.
I do. I'm a professional chef. Oh, relax. It's not a courtroom drama.
If you're a professional chef, what are you doing taking Introduction to Cooking?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It's just that, well, I cook at this restaurant, Alessandro's, and I just got a really bad review.
Oh, Alessandro's. I love that place.
You do?
Oh, yes. You're an excellent chef. As a person, you're a little...
Oh, I'm totally crazy. But you like the food?
Very much.
Okay, then. I don't stink. I'm a good chef. Okay.
Whoa. I don't want to go. I'm having fun.
Well, actually, did either of you pay for this class?
Hey, if my friend says it's time to go, it's time to go.